Greetings and salutations. How are you all today? Right, okay, so let me tell you what's going on. Recently, master connector and digital gangster Eric Green, legend in the marketing industry, contacted me and said, Sarah, I'm putting together my very own deal. Will you make some videos for me? Now, Eric Green has got the most incredible connections when it comes to marketing. So to work with Eric is just outstandingly amazing, and what an opportunity. So yes, I said, of course I will work with you, Eric. What do you need? So the more I went down the videos, the more I realized that this deal that he's offering is kind of a little bit special, right? He's offering $1,500 worth of free marketing ninja tricks and tips, and I mean incredible interviews with some of the absolute gurus in the industry for free, right? And alongside that, he's also set up a sort of an opportunity side of things where not only do you get complete benefit from the training, but you can actually earn some money from it as well, which is just insane. Apart from the value that you're going to get, he's also set up a 2x14 set matrix system. So basically, you can only ever have 2 lines going down when you start to show people this opportunity. So if you are shown something like this by Eric Green, who is going to have incredible gurus come in, you want to lock your spot in the top. I hate that saying, lock your spot, but you want to get in this now. This is a kind of a whisper launch. I should really keep my voice down because it's not actually officially launched yet. It's a whisper launch. But I got in, I've locked my spot at the top, and as you know, I am a master recruiter myself. So I am going to be introducing this system to lots and lots of people. So anybody that comes in now is going under my 2 legs, right? And we're locking them in. And I'm going to pass it over to Paul Turner and Eric Green to explain exactly how it all works, because they are much better explaining things than me. But after this video, there will be a link for you to come and lock your spot. You don't have to pay anything at the moment. Lock your spot. Just get into this matrix as soon as you can. Honestly, it's the best thing you're ever going to do this year. Please come and check it out. Watch this video now with Paul and Eric. They will explain everything, and you too will be as excited as I am about getting into this now. So here's Paul and Eric, and at the end of the video, there will be a link for you to click on and just lock in. Just get in now. Get in that matrix as soon as you possibly can. Get in my team under me. And yes, everything is going to go absolutely crazy. So I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to click the link after this video. Bye.
Mr. Green. Hi, Eric. How you doing?
Mr. What's going on, Paul? How you doing, buddy?
It's exciting times, right? Because Eric Green set up his own deal, which I didn't know if he'd ever. It's been talking to me for about 2 years. So, one day I'm going to set my deal up, one day I'm going to set my deal. I guess the time's right. So first of all, Eric, why is the time right to set up your own deal? What's going on?
Well, what I did, Paul, was I was just, and I'm at the coffee shop, so I'm going to keep my voice kind of, I'm usually loud and boisterous, but I'll be calm and reserved. But I just wanted to, I wanted to launch something that people, that was affordable for everyone, that people could really get tons of value. And, I started thinking about, we've all bought affiliate products, right? We've been on JVZoo, we've been on ClickBank, we've been on these places. And I'm sure most of the people watching at some point have purchased a $47 affiliate product at some time in their life, probably multiple that they haven't looked at in multiple years or opened. And what I wanted to do is say, hey, why don't I build a compensation plan around an affiliate product? So our program is a one-time $47. We just happen to build it on top of a 2x14 matrix. So it gives people an opportunity, right? Whether they come in and do nothing because it's a no sponsorship requirement system, that if they just want to come in and get the value that the system's going to provide, which is our primary product, is interviews that I'll be doing on a monthly basis. We already have 7 loaded in there from marketers from around the world, giving advice, giving strategies, giving information that can help people, go out and do marketing and advertising better. We'll be dealing with affiliate marketers, network marketers, people in the crypto space. So my goal is to really build up that library. So that's another difference between an affiliate product. You usually buy one time, you get a one-time product, and that's it. This is an ever-growing product because I'll be loading in new trainings on a weekly basis. And I'm sure by the end of the next 12 months, we'll have hundreds of videos in there and people can go pick and choose what they think is best. So, but what's cool about this is just for registering for free, let's say someone does an upgrade. Well, guess what? They're going to get $1,500 worth of marketing and advertising training that you, Paul, have provided. So
Eric
when they register,
my arm, guys. Eric was like, I need to add some real value on the front end, and we did this. It was in another deal, so up front, it was in another deal, but the information you can use for anything. So it's 20 hours worth, 20 hours worth, and I'm like, I want to sell it, and Eric got it out of me for this. So yeah, it is good value. It's everything I did to get to 10K a month in recurring residual income. And Eric managed to twist my arm. So you go ahead, Eric. So yeah, so the front end is loaded with value. We estimate $1,500 worth is cheap, right? But go ahead.
Yeah, you've really outdone yourself. And here's the thing that I want people to understand with this system. This system isn't about hype. It's not about any of that stuff. It's about value. In fact, we called it My Value Network because it's 100% based on value. So think about this. For a lead gen front end, it's awesome because what can you do? You can go out and provide $1,500 of value to people out there looking for value, looking for better ways to market themselves, their products, services, and opportunities. So you have the ability now to offer that for free and generate a lead from that. Now, if they decide to upgrade and get access to all the interviews and all that, then you're going to get compensated from that just by introducing them to the network. Now here's the other cool piece, right? So it's a great lead gen on the front end, but I was just showing Paul this yesterday. The other cool piece is if you decide to go out and promote this and people come into your network with My Value Network, you can actually in the back office, when they log into their back office under one of the tabs, they can find out what your businesses are. And I think we have it set where you can put up to 5 businesses in there. Paul, so yesterday, Paul, as you know, guys, is in IML. So as he's out there promoting My Value Network, giving people access to a bunch of free and, powerful value around marketing and advertising, when those people come into the network, that he can also expose them from the back office to his IML business and his Forex trading business. So this will allow marketers who really want a great front end to generate leads, a great way to expose their businesses inside the system as well.
So what I like about it is it's self-funding. So talk to us a little bit about the matrix, let people know how that works.
So it is a 2x14 matrix. I don't have, let me see if, I don't have it pulled up with me. We've made it easy. So on all 14 levels, there's a dollar amount, anywhere from $1 to $5 per level. As the matrix begins to build and paid members fall into those different levels in that matrix, you'll be able to see what you'll make when they fall into level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 14, okay? Now the cool thing is, so that's great for the no sponsor. So if someone comes in and they just want access to the value or they can't recruit or anything, right? They can position themselves and get access to all this value, this ongoing value inside the network. And then, as the network grows, especially now coming in at such an early stage, they're gonna see an opportunity to make some money, and whether they've done anything or not, just come in and got the value. Now, what we had to do, now remember guys, we're only dealing with a one-time $47, so it's not like we have millions of dollars to spread throughout a comp plan. But again, this is focused on value and lead generation for people. But the thing that we did for leaders is we said, okay, we got to get the people that want to go out and market this some kind of incentive. So what we've done is, besides the actual matrix itself, like Paul, anyone that Paul sponsors is an additional $3, and then anyone that his personal sponsors is an additional $3 match to him. Okay, so
I like it.
Now this is a $47 product, guys. I mean, so, and it's one time, it's not recurring. So to be able to get access to this network, and then the fact that literally I have probably right now, we have 7 videos in there, interviews and some trainings in there, but I literally have a list of 10 leaders that I have to coordinate over the next 2 weeks to get in and do interviews with. And these are people that are giving, incredible value. These are people who are having success in the industry in different niches. And, that's an ongoing, ever-growing product for a one-time 47. So you get all that. You get placed in this no sponsorship matrix. You get access to this ongoing training that will be provided. And you get access to a system that you can use to generate leads and offer free value to potential prospects in the marketplace. So I think it's a winner.
So let me just make sure I got this right. So one, I can give away a ton of value on the front end to generate leads for myself, correct?
Correct.
If somebody decides that I can expose all of those leads to my business on the inside, correct? To my primary business, correct? And that's a one-time 47.
Correct.
So up until there, it's good. But now you're telling me that as the people below me, especially in my team, if you're in network marketing or an affiliate deal, as my people give my value network away and some of those people decide to upgrade, I can make money.
Correct. Before you ever sponsored anyone yourself or brought anyone to the business. Correct.
So it's a massive self-funding proposition. And if I introduce you to my value network and you upgrade, I earn $3, but I'll also earn $3 of everybody you bring in.
Correct.
On top of the matrix commissions. Correct.
So doesn't take long to get that 47 back, right?
And each video, each interview that you do, the knowledge that I learn in each one of those interviews potentially has the ability to make me way more than $47. Like I've already done one with Eric. I can tell you, if you do what I use it. I know it works. I use it. Big gurus teach what, along the lines of what I taught. I know it can make you money. I know it can make you way more than $47. But that's correct. All the other interviews that you're ever going to do, the knowledge is worth it. And it's one time. Because people have already said to me, I've been telling a few people about it, it's coming. They're like, okay, 47 a month. I'm like, no. One time, correct?
Correct. One-time payment. And here's the thing, guys, that Paul hasn't shared yet. And I always spring stuff on Paul, but I'm going to be, one of the things Paul does really well, right, is so the system, we already have some marketing pages that people can use, obviously, to promote. We've got a great video on there talking about the value proposition, which is registering for free to get access to the $1,500 in free training. So it's going to do a great job. But what I'm going to do working with Paul is putting together some really cool marketing pages that everyone can use. And, and this is what we've done, with millions of different other programs. So we'll be able to put together some really cool marketing pages outside of just what the system provides. And when you're dealing with, I'm a professional copywriter. Paul's a professional marketer, online marketer. Just putting those pages together, I don't want to charge for those pages either. I don't want to put, you see these people coming in and put marketing systems together because it's another way for the company to make money and pay $29 a month for this marketing system. I don't want to do any of that. We know how to create the pages. Paul's up for doing that with me. People can put their username on the back, and we're going to be providing some great free marketing pages that people can use to be able to promote this. So it's really a no-brainer, and it doesn't compete with anyone. That's the other thing. I didn't want it to be competing with anyone. I wanted people to be able to have the ability to promote their programs in their back office. I wanted people to have the ability to have something that they could generate a lead with and give value on the front end. And so I really wanted this to be open and available to anybody, and I think we've put that together.
So something I'll pick up on that Eric said there is we've done this a million times. Well, it's a slight exaggeration, but we have done it in multiple businesses, and we kind of know the formula. And I'll let you into a little secret, guys. It's worth paying the 47 just to see how Eric set this up. That alone is worth the education you learn, and just reverse engineer how Eric has set this up, with all the pages that apparently I'm going to be making for free, right? But apparently the pages I'm going to be making, watch Pay the 47, just for that, let alone the interviews, the value on the front end, let alone that, let alone the fact you can make money, but you will learn from how it's all set up. And that's like a little insider tip for you there. Because like Eric says, we know the formula, guys. We've done it. We've done it. We've done it. We've done it. And what we always do is we do lives and we do stuff like this. We offer value. Most people don't want to do that, which is why you need to get into the value network so you can offer the value on the front end, in my opinion. And that's how I do it. Okay? That's how I do it. So, is there anything else you want to tell people other than I've dropped the link in the comments so they can all go and check it out now? It's a soft launch, right? This isn't officially launched yet.
Yeah. So I'm calling it a whisper launch for 14. I'm doing a 14-day whisper launch, and you know it is. We're just launching it. I'm working with a great guy in the back end. I see he may be watching, Dylan. Hey, Dylan, what's up, buddy? Great work. And we've got, you know, we've just got to make sure everything's, you know, functioning right and that sort of stuff. And seems to be. We already have people coming in. I told Paul, look, we don't officially launch tomorrow, but we went ahead and took it live. You're open to send it out to your network. There's a couple of other influencers that got on board, like yourself, early, and they're going to hit their networks a little early. But I'll come out officially tomorrow and roll out the whisper launch. So you guys are getting the whisper if you're watching this and you follow Paul.
Do you know what the only thing I don't like about it is the lock your spot kind of deal, because we always like talk about the lock your spot, but it's, get this, 2x14 fixed matrix. That means I can't have any more than 2 people on my front line. So as you guys are signing up now, and it looks like, I bet if I check now, I've probably got to sign up while we've been talking. Yeah, got to sign up. Okay, so people are signing, you know, logging in, checking it out now, right? Okay, I'll only have 2 front line. That's it, because it's a force matrix. After that, everybody goes below. And what I can tell you is, if you fill up the matrix, bearing in mind you don't have to put them all in yourself, let alone the $3, you know, and the $3 match, it's over 55k, and it's a force matrix. So lock your spot, lock your spot. Go to the link now and stick your name and email in to at least lock your spot, okay? And see if you like it, and I'm sure you will. So anything else to add, Eric, or shall I let you go and finish your coffee?
That's it. It'll be ever growing. You'll see over the next couple of weeks if you guys do get in. Again, this is Whisper Launch, so just, you know, just get in and tool yourself around. Go to the video section to, if you do, you know, obviously pay your 47, you know, go to the video sections. That's where you can start accessing.
When you pay your 47, what is it when you pay your $47? Freaking out, it's $47. I already told you what I taught you is worth $47. The matrix is worth $47. Why? Guys, come on. And in fact, what I'll do is...
You're doing the NLP. You're doing the NLP on...
NLP, I've been watching Grant Cardone. It's like, I watched a Grant Cardone video earlier. It's like, Jesus, guys, 47... Anyway, never mind. So what I'll do is I'll do another video with Eric. I've got some other stuff I can share. I've been learning some great stuff recently because I'm always learning. So probably next week, so I'm away for 3 days this week. But what I will do, I will do another. If Eric wants it, I don't want to force this on Eric, but if Eric wants it, I'll do another video that I guarantee, if you follow it, will get you leads. Okay. So I'll do that. I'll share some good stuff. So I'll do that as a bonus as well. If you pay your 47, if you get in and pay your 47 with my link that's on here, you get in and pay your 47, I'll do a bonus video for Eric for the whole network. Just to say thanks for being one of the early adopters before it's even launched properly. Can't say fairer than that, right? So.
No, Paul, appreciate all. You've provided so much value and will continue. And that's the great thing about what we've got here with My Value Network is the goal here is to find marketers like you who are all about giving value and sharing value. And because of the connections I've made over the years and the network I've built, there's just a lot of people I know like that are already lining up to give value to this network on an ongoing basis. And again, I just want to reiterate all this stuff we talked about. This is a one-time 47, right? That's it. So it's sort of it definitely is one of those no-brainers. So Paul, appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, I'll see you later. And the link's in the comments, guys. Go check it out. At least go and get the free value. At least, but guys, 47. Come on. Right. Okay. So I'll see you later. Cheers, Eric.
Bye, guys.